Chicken ramen noodle stir fry. These are the ingredients. 1 pound of chicken breast cut into strips, some scallion, bok choy, soy sauce, half of a purple onion, and 3 tablespoons of oil. Frozen and thawed mixed vegetables, bell peppers, half green, half red, 3 packages of top ramen chicken noodle soup mix. Slice the scallions in large slices. Set aside. Cut the bell peppers in halves. Remove the seeds from the peppers. Then cut in strips. Set aside. Cut the onion in half. Then cut into large dices. Set the onions aside. Cut the bok choy in large slices. Cut in the larger pieces in halves. Wash the bok choy well in salted water and rinse well, making sure that you remove all the dirts. Remove the noodles and the seasoning from the packages. Use one of the seasoning from the package to season the chicken. Bring water to boil in a pot. Remove from the heat, add the noodles, cover and allow to sit for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes in the hot water, the noodles should be soft. Drain off the hot water and run the noodles under cool water, then drain well. Coat the noodles with 1½ tablespoon of oil and set aside. Heat a medium to large skillet over high heat with 3 tablespoons of oil. Add the chicken strips and cook for about 5 minutes. Add the onions and toss together. Add the bell peppers and toss. Add the bok choy, the soy sauce, and toss everything together. Toss in the mixed vegetables. Add the noodles. The scallions. Add the 2 extra seasonings and some soy sauce for coloring. And toss everything together. Remove from the heat immediately. For the serving sauce, mix a piece of Scotch bonnet pepper with little soy sauce. Enjoy, and thank you so much for watching.